Netflix kicks off a big slate of upcoming earnings with roughly 20% of the S&P 500, nearly half of the Dow set to report next week. Hightower Stephanie Link owns a number of the names with results on deck. Back with us now for a little halftime overtime. Yes, Steph, you're all over that calendar. So let's go down the list. We got like a little rapid fire here. GE, that was one of your stock summit picks, I think, right? Tuesday before the bell.
Yes.
GE.
Yes, and it's going to be messy because they just spun off GE Healthcare, which I also bought recently. So it's going to be messy. Headlines are going to be everywhere. Don't pay attention to it. The number one thing to pay attention to is free cash flow. $5 billion for the whole company. If you separate GE Health, $3 billion. That's what the stock is going to trade on. But this becomes a much simpler story as they spin off non-core assets and become the leader in the aviation space.
IBM was kind of the surprising tech stock of last year, right? While the others, more popular and more sexy names, faltered, it did well. It reports on Wednesday after the bell, right here in overtime, as you might have it. What's your expectation here?
So, yeah, it was a great performer in 2022. This is a very defensive story. So to the extent if you think the market is vulnerable, this one has 66% of their total revenues are recurring revenue. 75% is software and services. And they have a mainframe cycle, an ELA renewal cycle. They have currency that has been a huge headwind that will become a tailwind. Key for this stock is mid-single digit earnings growth guidance. That was what everybody is going to keep an eye on. I think they'll be able to do it.
Okay, before the bell on Wednesday is Boeing. Now, this stock has been a monster of late. I wonder how that makes you feel about the report. Even if you're optimistic about the report, how much is already in the stock? And I mean, the stock is just 3 months, 50%.
I know. I am nervous, and off the lows, up 72%. But here's the thing, like demand is strong with the OEMs as well as the aftermarket business. So we had the industry had 2,000 in gross orders last year. Aftermarket was up 10% last year, and I think that momentum continues. And that's the higher margin business, of course. They had an analyst day in November, and I think they're going to reiterate all the 23 guides that they set out in November, including free cash flow of being $5 billion this year, going to $10 billion by 2025. So they also talked about a total addressable market, Scott, at their analyst day, $9.6 trillion between 2022 and 31. So that's a nice tailwind.
Yeah. Wednesday, OT, Lam Research.
Yes. And I think I feel good about it because I think we're close to the bottom in the double and triple orders. We already know how weak a lot of the end markets are, and the stock trades at 13 times forward estimates, and that's very attractive. And then they're the leader in in the semi-cap equipment space. So it's one that I like very much. I've been building it. I have been buying it for the last month and a half, and I will continue to buy it because, again, I think, as we talked about in the last segment, I think the semiconductors were the first to go down on the concerns of over-ordering. And I think they're going to lead us out, especially given the end markets that they are focused on.
All right. I appreciate you sticking around, Steph. We'll see you soon.